Hello everyone, I am Chandras Mishra. I am going to discuss a stack application which is infix to postfix conversion. So let's begin with the lecture. So suppose an infix expression is given to you. So we can take the example of the infix expression. So suppose we have infix expression like a plus d plus parenthesis c by d plus e. Okay. So now we want to convert this infix. This is infix expression, and we want to convert this into postfix. Okay, postfix expression. So here we'll use stack for this purpose. So we'll use stack. So first of all, we have to understand the algorithm for this. Suppose we have infix expression given as this, and we want to convert this into the postfix expression. So we need to understand the algorithm to do this, and then we will see the example for this. So the first step is what we'll do. We'll add left parenthesis on stack. Here we will use operator stack. Okay, so here we'll add left parenthesis on stack and right parenthesis on expression. Okay, so whatever expression we are having, we will just put this right parenthesis on this. Okay, and after that we'll scan infix expression from left to right, from left to right, and repeat. What we will repeat? So we'll repeat step number 3. If left parenthesis, if left parenthesis, that is this, is encountered, then push on stack. Okay, so push on stack. Simply we'll push this on stack. Okay, so first if we encountered, if we started scanning from left to right, and if find left parenthesis, we'll just push that left parenthesis onto the stack. If an operand is encountered, then add on postfix. So what we'll do, we'll add this onto the postfix. Okay, we'll add this on postfix expression. Next step is if an operator, okay, operator is encountered, then what we will do, we'll pop all operator having same or higher precedence. then this operator, and add to postfix. So what we'll do, if we encountered any operator which is in the infix expression, then we'll pop all the operators having same or higher precedence of the stack and add that operator to the postfix expression. Okay, so if we find any right parenthesis, if we encountered any right parenthesis in the infix expression, then we pop all symbols until all symbols, and add to postfix until left parenthesis encountered, and then remove left parenthesis from the stack. So this is the step. So let's revise this step. First, what we'll do, we'll just push left parenthesis onto the stack and add right parenthesis in the infix expression. And after that, we'll start scanning our infix expression from left to right and repeat these steps. If left parenthesis is encountered in the infix expression, then push on stack. If an operand is encountered, then just add on postfix. If an operator is encountered, in that case, we'll check the top of the stack. All operators which are having same or higher precedence than the current operator will be removed from the stack and added to the postfix expression. Okay. If we encountered right parenthesis, then one by one we'll pop the symbols from stack and add to the postfix expression until we encountered left parenthesis. Then remove that left parenthesis. So in the postfix expression, we will not supposed to have any left or right parenthesis. Okay. So this is the basically algorithm, or you can say the steps to convert this. Let us begin with the example. Okay. So here we have the expression a plus b plus c by d plus e. Okay. So this is the expression. So what we'll do, we'll just add another right parenthesis in this, and we'll have here symbol, and after that we'll have this. This is the operator stack, and after that we are having postfix. Okay, so what we'll do, first we'll put this left parenthesis onto the stack. Then we begin with the current symbol. So here we have a. So symbol is a, which is operand. So we'll just add this onto the postfix expression. Move to the next symbol. So next symbol is an operator. So we'll just push this onto the stack, and this will be same. Next symbol is again left parenthesis. So we'll push this left parenthesis onto the stack. Next symbol is b. So we'll just add this, which is operand. So we'll add this operand onto the stack. So plus this is the stack, and on postfix we have AB. After that we'll move to here. Here we again have plus symbol. So we'll just push into the stack, because on stack we have left parenthesis. So here we have to just push this, and top of the stack will be A, and the postfix expression will be AB. After that, we have encountered another left parenthesis. So we'll just plus this, plus again we'll push this left parenthesis. Okay. After this, and a postfix expression will be as it is AB. After this, we have C. So this is the C symbol. This is C. So it is operand. So we'll add this onto the we will add this on postfix expression. After that, we have divide operator. This. So again, we have operator. So we'll just check the top of this stack. So on the top of this stack, we have left parenthesis. So we'll just push this onto the stack, and this is the current status of postfix. After that, we have D. So D is the operand. So we'll not change the operator stack. We'll just add symbol to the postfix expression. After that, again we have plus symbol, here plus symbol, and this is the status of the stack. So here we can find out on the top of the stack we have an operator which is having higher precedence than our current. So we will just pop this operator and add to postfix. Okay. So after this we'll have plus parenthesis plus then parenthesis, and this symbol will be popped out and will be added to the postfix expression. And after that we have left parenthesis on the top of the stack. So we'll just put our operator. Okay. After this we have E, which is the operand. So there will be no change in the operator stack. We'll just add this E on postfix expression. After this we have right parenthesis. So whenever we encountered right parenthesis, we'll pop all symbols one by one symbols from stack and add to postfix expression until we encountered this left parenthesis. So we'll just pop this symbol and add to our postfix expression. So it will become ABCD oblique E and then plus. So after removing this, we have left parenthesis. So we'll just remove this and stop our process. So left parenthesis plus left parenthesis plus, and then we have just removed this. After this, we can see here again we have right parenthesis, again we have right parenthesis, again we will pop the symbol from stack and add to postfix expression until left parenthesis is encountered. So we'll just pop this plus and add to here. So we will have plus, and then we'll pop this, so it will be added to ABCD oblique E plus plus, and this left parenthesis will be encountered, will be removed. Okay. After that, again we have the right parenthesis on the top of the stack. So what we'll do, we'll just pop all the symbols from the stack and add to the postfix expression until left parenthesis. So this symbol will be popped and will be added to our postfix expression ABCD oblique E plus plus and plus, and now this will be removed. So now you can see the stack is empty. Now we'll stop our process. So our postfix expression, final postfix expression is ABCD oblique E plus, plus, and plus. So this is our result. So in the next lecture, we'll discuss another example. So thank you.